What are your Who are your favorite sports stars?
My favorite sport is football.
No. Who, not one. Who are your favorite sports stars?
Sport
Sports
star.
stars.
Like Messi, Ronaldo, like something like that.
That's a minus. Because you get to the answer. Okay. What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, the first I get up, then I washing my body in face. At 6 o'clock, I have breakfast.
Okay. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
What don't you like?
I don't like chicken soup.
Okay. Why do you listen to music?
I listen to music when I have free time.
What's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music?
My favorite kind of music is J-pop.
Okay. What presents did you get for your birthday?
My parents give me some chocolate.
What job do you want to do in the future?
In the future, I think I can try science
Why?
because I think now my favorite
Where did you go on your last holiday?
Because last holiday we go Pulau Beach.
What are your favorite clothes?
My favorite cloth is summer clothes
Why?
because why then I feel comfortable.
Okay. I want you to choose a topic and talk to me about it.
Since I just took it from. When I have free time, I always go to my favorite place to relax my hair and my body. My place I like is Tung Park. Tung Park has a big lake. And I go here to walking beside a lake. Sometimes I call my friend go here to play slide with me. Anyway, I like favorite place.
Okay, thank you.